Hello everyone, I am going to explain you a very important topic, that is the neuron or the neural unit of nervous system. Your nervous system is very important organ system that help in control and coordination of various activity. So their structural and functional unit of nervous system is neuron. So it's a composed of many cells and it's called tissue actually. So neural tissue, it has mainly two parts. When you draw the diagram, very easily you can draw the diagram that makes a roughly a spherical body having different processing like this. You can easily make the diagram along with me, and many processes developed. These are called dendrons, arises from cell body, and it's a cone-like structure here, ending of dendrons or the cell body. Then start the axon. Come to here, axon. Then various cells you can draw here. The squamous cell, first cell like this myelin sheath, the first one, and inside this cytosol you can make many dot-like structure known as nascent granules and fiber-like structure that is called neurofiber. This one is called neurolemma, which is the plasma membrane of neural cell, and this one is nucleus. So cell body contains nucleus, squamous cell contains nucleus. This is the nucleus of a squamous cell, and the thread-like structure is called axon, having a nerve ending. Okay, the axon ending in the form of terminal knob-like structure. The axon is terminated in knob-like structure. Okay. So, dendrites, nascent granules, neuroplasm, the cytoplasm present here is called neurolemma, cell membrane, neuroplasm, and it is somewhere surrounded by myelin sheath. Some are non-myelinated neuron too, and this one is axon. So, two parts are there, cytosol and axon. And it is also known as the structural and functional unit of nervous system. We control and coordinate by two organ systems. One is the nervous system, neural system, which is made up of neuron, and another is the endocrine system. So the average, I am talking about this is the longest cell in the body. In human beings, its size is nearly 90 centimeter. Near about 1 meter, less than 10 centimeter of 1 meter. So approximately this size of neuron extend from central nervous system to last of the body. So 90 centimeter its length will be there, and 2.5 meter in case of elephant. So elephants bears the longest neuron cell, or the longest cell also. Largest is the egg of ostrich, and this one is the longest one. So, when we come to the type of neurons, we have a different type of, they are classified in different ways on the basis of function. The neurons are sensory neurons, motor neurons, and mixed neurons. So, sensory neurons bring the sensation from the outer part to the central nervous system brain, and the motor neurons, they take the order of the brain and carry this information in the form of nerve impulse to the different part of the body where the function is going to be occur. And the mixed neuron can generate interpret the information, and they works like both. So intermediary type of they have. So in this way there are three types. On the basis of their processes outside, the development of from the outside projections, there are 5 different types: apolar, unipolar, bipolar and multipolar neurons. So try to understand what these are. Okay. So when we talk about the unipolar neurons, okay. So unipolar neurons here, apolar means they have either dendrites or axons, but no both of them together. Unipolar means one process, means axon and one dendrons develops. Here bipolar means one axon plus one dendrons. Such types of these apolar neurons are found in immature embryonic cells, while unipolar neurons are present in invertebrates, while the bipolar and multipolar as well as pseudo-unipolar neurons are commonly found in higher groups. So in bipolar, what happens? One axon plus one dendrons present in olfactory, sensory or retina region, or multipolar neurons present in gray part of your brain, nervous system made up of gray matter or gray part. So that contains generally this type of neurons. Okay. So what we have seen here, that the different type of neurons develops in our body. Okay. Or the structural and functional unit of nervous system. So in this way you can draw the diagram and you write it. It's more the importance of this neuron cell that they generate nerve impulse. Whenever threshold stimulus is given to them, they become excited, they depolarized and generate the action potential, a nerve impulse. Two cells are there which generate action potential. That is one of the heart cells, that is called cardiac muscles, as well as the neurons cells. These are the only two cells has power to generate action potential. When you draw the diagram, try to understand that nasal neurons are not made in this conical region, and myofibrils may be there, but the myofibril conduct the impulse. The nerve impulse is generated here at the dendrons or received from the neighboring dendrons, and then pass through these fibrils up to the nerve where there is a synapse, the gap which may the length of 20 nanometer, where the neurotransmitter acetylcholine present, that converts the electrical language into chemical, and then again from chemical to next generation of electrical impulse in the adjacent dendrons of the next neuron. So in this way the impulse transmit from one person to one place of the body to another place of the body. That will we study in detail in neural system. Okay, but structure of neurons you can draw, and this knowledge will help you to further understand the process. Okay, so in this way the nervous tissue is completed. Okay, thank you.